So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit or update your email address on your account here on Etsy. So once Etsy's opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, then press on view your profile, then press on edit public profile, and then press on account. Once you're in the account page right here, just scroll down a little bit until you come across email right here. So as you can tell, I have my current email that's on file. And if you want to change this, you can go ahead and type in your new email, confirm your new email, and then type in your Etsy password. And if all that is good to go, press on change email. Then all of a sudden your email will be updated. You'll get a confirmation email. Go ahead and confirm it and then go with it that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit or update your email address on your profile here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.